So nice to see you all. Love seeing some of you guys on camera today. That's great. Love seeing all your beautiful faces. So today is this week at Topcoder. I'm sorry we missed you guys last week. I hope you were able to tune into our International Women's Day event. We had a lot of fun. You know, had a lot of really great stories. So it was really nice to be able to do that. We do have the recording, so if you missed that, we'll be sharing that out. So let's jump into the week. What do we've got going on? Here's the latest. So first and foremost, our Topcoder time has changed to UTC -4. So just when you got used to the timing, we changed it because that's what we like to do. So the time of this meeting has not changed, obviously. It's just an hour earlier. I mean, sorry, an hour later. I don't even know anymore. I'm not even gonna try to figure it out. I'm too tired. So UTC -4. So just keep that in mind for your challenges and all your deadlines and whatnot. And we're working to make sure that everything that we've had on the website that said UTC -5 is corrected to UTC -4 for some events and stuff we have coming up. So if you see any errors or anything, let me know. I wanna make sure there's no confusion. All right, so what else is going on today? We've got some top gigs to promote this week. The first one is our Senior Developer DevOps Azure. This is any location. Wow, it's a pretty long gig. I didn't realize that. So if you're looking for something that will pay your bills for a while, this is a good one. So if you want to apply for that one, or if you know a friend, please share. And then we have a developer.net and Angular developer role. That's also any location, another long gig. And then you have to be working India Standard Time Zone. So if you're interested in an Angular gig or you know a friend, please apply, share. And then finally, we have an API developer, Scala or Flink, whatever you want to call that. This one's a 3-month gig. India only. And this is something that will be a little more short term. So if you're interested in one of these gigs, please apply or share with a friend. And before I move on from gig work, we do have the referral program still. Okay, so basically what you need to do is if you see a gig, you share it with a friend. If they get that gig, you get paid. So I'm going to share this page out. It has all the information on how the gig referral works, but you find it right here. So if you want to refer somebody, so I'm going to just send it to myself because I think I'd be a great developer for this role. You know what I mean? Like maybe I should just stop doing community and just be an API developer. So there we go. Oh, not even like never mind. I can't even show you how it works. But anyway, great gig. Try it out. You can win $500. So share with your friends, please. All right. So that's the top gigs this week. Any of our gig work team on the line have anything to add? Any other gigs you want me to talk about, Nathan?
Hey Jesse, hey everyone. So I am going to include my email address in the chat box as well, just in case you want to bounce any ideas around on your CV or any gigs that you want to potentially apply to, or just understand how the process works, because that is a question we get asked pretty often. So I'll include my email, and as Jesse says, the referral program is alive and kicking. So we need, we need you to get busy on that one and get some really cool people over to us.
Awesome, thank you. Alrighty, and then I already talked about the refer a friend. Okay, let's move on to the next thing that I wanted to talk about today, Topcoder and HEADSPIN University. Adam, you want to take this? I know we have a few weeks left for the certification opportunity.
Yeah, so we have a partnership going on with HEADSPIN University. I don't know, Jesse, if you have the site to pull up, but
I accidentally deleted it. I gotta get back up. Sorry.
Got it. Okay. But essentially 25% off the cost of taking the Appium course, and this is a new course offered by them. It's you get to actually use their virtual devices, and it's pretty cool the way they have it set up. It's created by Jonathan Lips, who is essentially the main voice at Appium and on Appium. And so as part of that, we, I think around like step 12, there is a Topcoder challenge. So there's also a badge you can earn from the Appium certification across with Topcoder. So very excited about this, cross community, cross platform alignment that we have with HEADSPIN University. And so we actually have a very specific skill that you can earn through the Appium certification. It's the Appium and Selenium Fundamentals 2020 class. And so you can get 25% off on this. And as part of this, as part of the Topcoder Appium community, we also have 25 free classes that we're giving away. I'm in the process of doing that right now. And so I may be opening some of that up to the broader community, to those who are interested. I think right this minute I have handed out 15 of them. So I may have 10 that we may put into a pool to hand out. But very excited about this, and it's pretty cool. Again, cross company, cross community collaboration.
Thank you, Adam. Yep, another great opportunity for you guys to get certified. And there's a lot of great QA work at Topcoder that can relate to this as well. So it may just start as a certification, but could lead to a really great career with us. So we also have QA gigs available as well sometimes. I don't know if there's any currently, but we do get QA gigs, and we have tons of QA challenges. So great opportunity to prove your skills so that you are qualified for gigs. Awesome.
And if you don't know what HEADSPIN is a company that has virtual, real devices that you can access virtually for testing on mobile. So essentially testing across any mobile device, and they have these set up essentially in device farms, and then you can code against those devices. So as part of this course, you get to do that. You get to use their device farms.
Awesome. All right, and then moving on, I believe the next one is Adobe. So we want to promote Adobe again as well. I know we have a weekly learning challenge happening. Oh, I did the wrong one. I'm not prepared today, you guys. This is what happens when I multitask.
So Adobe, I'll jump in on this one. Again, we are in our latest use case. So I call it use case 4. I think on the challenge, we're listing as use case 2 because it is part of the second series that we have going on right this minute. But very excited about this. It launched on Thursday. It's running for 2 weeks. This one is pretty cool. We're leveraging, it's a combination of Adobe Document Cloud, Adobe Sign, and Microsoft, I believe it's Power Automate. So a combination of platforms, and I think we have some great prizes out there for that right this minute. And we'll, looks like we need to update the link there, but it did launch on Thursday.
Yep, awesome. And I know the learning challenges are running every week, and we have prizes, we have t-shirts, lots of great stuff. Adobe's been a great partner of ours, so we're excited to keep the partnership rolling. So hopefully you guys are able to jump in. And at any point, if you have questions or you want to, give us any feedback, please let us know.
Yeah, and if anybody here won an Adobe t-shirt, we will be getting those created. We finally got all that squared away, and I'm very excited that the Adobe t-shirts will be getting created, and we'll start getting those packaged up and shipped. So right now we finally got approval, so I'm very excited to have some Topcoder / Adobe t-shirts. So I want mine. So I'm looking forward to my Adobe and Topcoder t-shirt, and so we should be getting those out to everyone who won those, and then as part of the Adobe challenges, we'll be able to have those Adobe Topcoder t-shirts. Exclusive, rare, unique t-shirts.
Yep, and bright red as well, I think, right?
Yep.
Back to our old roots. Back in the day, every shirt was red and black.
Yep. Well, we'll see. The goal is to have it be the Adobe red. So we'll see if we can get that. But yeah.
Awesome. All right, and then up next we have some upcoming events. So I just want to draw your attention to this. We have a AMA happening Wednesday on St. Patrick's Day. Look at that. with Bill's Edison. So this will be hosted by Maestro. And basically it's going to be, ask me anything. So Bill's Edison is one of our Topcoder MVPs. Really talented developer, also a game developer outside of Topcoder. So he's a really cool guy, runs a lot of challenges here in our community, very respected. And it's a great opportunity for you to listen to him, get some feedback, get some tips. Our AMA that we had with Tong a couple weeks ago was really awesome. It was a really great chat. He shared some really cool tips. Really great questions came in through that. So please check it out. Would love to see you there. And then I wanted to talk through the events in general. So in case you guys didn't realize, we do have an event calendar. We try to keep everything on this event calendar. So as you see, Harshit is really good about making sure SRMs are on here, our marathon matches. We have our weekly call on here. We also have, we have the AMA posted on here and other things that are going on. So definitely a good idea to follow this calendar if you want to not miss anything. So I just wanted to share that with you guys, that there's always things happening and they're on the calendar. Okay. So let's talk about our skill builder competitions. I don't know if Harshit's still on. I know he had to jump early. Oh, he is on still. Harshit, you want to go over the skill builders that are running right now?
Yeah, so we have Salesforce skill builder running. I think we haven't been seeing you guys participating in that, but you should go in and try the Salesforce skill builder, because we have a lot of Salesforce opportunities that are coming up. We have a lot of opportunities with gig work. We have a lot of opportunities in the challenges as well. So we would like to see you guys participate in this, compete. If you feel it's a little hard, it's taking a lot of time, do reach out to us. We do have we can do t-shirts, we can do exciting things for you to keep you guys motivated for your efforts you're putting into this. So any feedback on this, if you have seen the competition, if you've seen the problem statement and you feel it's hard, it's taking a lot of time, do reach out to us. We would like to improve, and I think your feedback really matters here. So do compete, because there are a lot of opportunities that are coming up, and we are coming up with a Golang skill builder as well very soon. So it's in works, half out, half ready. So do go and check that out. And the other thing is ServiceNow. Thanks Jesse for opening that. So this is our last round of ServiceNow learning challenge. We are very soon going to launch a ServiceNow competition with bigger prizes as well. So it's good time before we launch that. You should go ahead and compete in this learning challenge. Again, it's a skill builder format, 3 problems. So do take out time, go through the problems, understand if you're right there, you're able to submit, and you're able to do this. If you're able to do this, we feel you're going to be ready for the prizes, the competition, which is coming up with bigger prizes. So yeah.
Yeah, thank you, Harsha. And around the ServiceNow thing too, we did have a webinar last week, I think, or the week before. We have that recording. Really great webinar to help you with ServiceNow learning. And there's a meeting to the madness, right? So there's a reason why we're doing this. There's work coming. We want to get you ramped up. So we're gonna do a skill builder competition. We're gonna do a webinar. I'm gonna give you prizes to learn this skill. So there's, as I said, there's meaning behind the madness. So come in and learn these skills so you can have some guaranteed work coming up. I think those are all the skill builders happening, right, Harshit? We have ServiceNow.
Yeah, these are the new and exciting ones. We still have the Angular and Java and Postgres one going really well. We have seen great submissions on those competitions. So they're always open, and if you feel, and once again, feedback is important. If you feel you've done all the 3 problems of Angular and you want to do more in Angular, or we can, or even if you think we can do more with Angular, just give us the feedback, post it in the forums, let us know. We are even thinking of sometimes making these competitions more exciting. We're going to add, so we have easy, medium, hard. We might add a super hard problem for you with prizes, and we might get you guys into it. So we're going to do these exciting things, and we need your feedback. So if you're finding it too hard, too difficult, or if you think some resources can be there on the challenge page or in the forums for the new members to understand these technologies and jump onto these, just let us know. We will take in your feedback and make these better as we go and run more of these. Yeah.
Yep. Awesome. And as Harshad said, they're running constantly. So when you see, 59 registrants and a bunch of submissions, don't feel like it's too late for you, because the whole point of these is for you to be learning. So you don't feel intimidated that, oh, it's too late, I missed out on this. That's not true.
Yeah, and I think Angular and Java, these two challenges have automated testers. So if you haven't seen me talk about this, I'm just going to repeat today that these challenges have automated testers. So you can always put a submission, you'll get a score. So the best way to start is take the sample submission, take a look at it, and just submit. You'll get a score, and you'll understand how can I improve this to make the submission better. So yeah. Don't be hesitant, go in and submit. There's not, you're going to lose nothing, but just get into the competition, get a vibe of. And I think at Topcoder we are growing with these automated testers competition, and skill builders are going to get you ramped up for them as well. So you are ready for RDMs, you're ready for other automated tester competitions that might come up in the future. So yeah.
Yep.
Get the head start.
Right. Awesome, thank you. And of course, every one of these skill builder challenges has a challenge forum. So it's a great spot to go to if you have any questions or need some insight. Okay. And then if that's it for content for me today. I didn't have, unless I'm completely missing something, my team will let me know.
Digital run.
Yeah, digital run, let's talk about it.
So
Bring up the page.
I just sent you a link. So we have digital run. We actually have the leaderboard out there right this minute, thanks to Kirill and Daniela for helping to put that together. Just if you can pull it up.
Yep. Oops.
So we started this in November. So November, December, and January. I still need to run the February numbers, but we've given out $32,000 at this point across 3 months of the digital run front end development cup. So this is all extra bonus money tied to front end challenges. So any challenges, code challenges that are being run that have front end tagged qualify you for the digital run front end development cup. This will run through the rest of the Topcoder open time periods. So get in now, additional prize money, additional bonuses here. The cool thing is we have top performer bonus, and then we also have a rookie bonus. So Jesse, this is, I think you're on January. So if you click on monthly and then just go click on December. So yeah, December, and you'll see who earned bonuses. So very excited about this, and that we now have it live as a leaderboard. And we have a couple of big rookie bonuses on there. So it's great to see that.
Yep. Just by participating in these challenges, you're earning extra money potentially.
Yep. It follows the Topcoder Open points. So if you are earning points for Topcoder Open, you are earning points for the front end development cup on anything that is tagged with front end. February leaderboard should be updated here within a few days. Typically on these, I am about a month out from each one.
Right, I think we have to wait for challenges to close out and stuff. Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, cool. One other topic that we didn't talk through is our partnership with LF Edge. That is coming up next month. So we kind of teased this a little bit last year at TCO. So that's coming up soon. So I'm really excited to have some more great content for you around that and the cool stuff that will be coming along with that, with their Edge technology.
Yeah, they actually just got their developer portal put together. Myself and Harshit will actually be leaving this call early to go meet with them to actually go through their technology so we can start crafting and understanding the how we're going to put the challenges together for everyone. So very excited to see what they have, see their developer portal, and see where we can help them improve things and create a great experience. And so from that, we're going to understand their technology, and similar to Adobe, we will be crafting educational type challenges to ramp into their Edge technology. And then also similar to Adobe, we'll have our challenges that have like 5 prizes larger prizes to engage all of you into the technology and build real world edge solutions. Very excited about it.
Yeah, should be good. Well, yeah, we'll be having more specific details on that in the coming weeks. We're working on that now.
We're literally getting into it as in a few minutes into like everything all about Aleph Edge 5G technologies. So it's going to be very cool.
Yep, good stuff. So let's open it up to the rest of the Topcoder team or any of our community members here. Any other things we want to promote out today? Dan or Umesh, Karen, Kelly, Renat, anything you guys want to promote?
Yeah, I can give an update on our upcoming NASA challenge that we're going to be launching.
Awesome.
So we're hoping to get our NASA spacesuit detection marathon match up and running next Friday. That's going to be March 26th. So a little bit about the problem is we've been flushing it out, now for about the last 2 months. So basically, we need a way of identifying spacesuit movements in NASA training environments, which is exceptionally difficult. If you think about it, you actually cannot train on a spacesuit in space because once you're up there, if anything goes wrong, that's a fatal mistake. So all the training is done here on Earth. But this is made very, very difficult. The fact that a spacesuit weighs almost 300 pounds, which is technically about 127 kilos, and they have to do all of their training underwater. So the traditional motion capture that they would normally use for like all the new superhero movies, you can't use that on spacesuits specifically underwater. So how can we analyze the spacesuit movement and predict whether or not the suit is going to move in a way that could cause damage to itself and then ultimately obviously cause a severe problem for the astronaut inside? So what we're going to be doing, we've got a whole set of photographs and video from NASA that are all provided during their training environments of using all these spacesuits underwater. And we want to run a marathon match to create algorithms to identify these spacesuits and movements in 2D and 3D, both inside of all these videos. And then they can run this during their training simulations and they'll know whether or not, if an astronaut moves a certain way, if that could be potentially fatal or damaging when they're in actual space. So they can help correct that and train it. And hopefully in the future, build spacesuits that can accommodate, more movement and be a little bit more flexible. So it's a really, really awesome challenge. And it's something that, going back to space here or really to the moon in the next 5 years, it's going to be extremely important. So we're really happy to be a part of it and get it launched. Like I said, trying to get it off next Friday, the 26th, wrapping up some last minute data prep. If it delays, I'll let everybody know. And we've got about $33,000 in prizes set away from that one. So it's going to be great and hope to see everybody there.
Thanks, Dan. Sounds super cool. Really, really good stuff. So yeah, hopefully we'll have the link to share out once it goes live. Yay, so exciting. Any other Topcoder updates, promotions we need to share with our team today? We have some little kiddos on the call today. I love it.
I can probably try to share a little bit of update.
Yes, please, Renat.
Yes.
Thank you.
So then I'm very excited about those challenges that are coming. So that's what I had been doing for many years, trying to bring those exciting challenges to Topcoder. So my update is a little bit more generic and a little bit more on a general level. I was always trying to figure out how to make the experience with the platform a little bit smarter and how we could be able to track the challenges that we like or find the challenges that we like, or especially find this, the more we run the challenges on the platform, the more we would want to find the right challenge or small challenge, or it could be a tiny task that could be hidden among many other challenges that we probably want to participate in, and that is good for us. So like make that experience more personalized. And I'm just very happy to announce that there was already like a first attempt that we made on making the platform a little bit smarter. And if you go on the challenges page, there is a little button there. There is a little switch there that's called recommended challenges. And that is our first attempt to, our first basically tiny shot on the future recommended systems on Topcoder. So this one is very simple. So this one is based on the challenges that you have won in the past, like ended up in the prize bucket. And it takes the tags from those challenges that we run the automated taggers on the challenge problem statements. And it compares to the similar tags from the challenges that are currently open for registration. So right now, it's a very simple way of trying to allow some sorting of the challenges, like based on how similar those challenges to the ones that you have won in the past. But we have quite ambitious plans about that. So like maybe like in a couple months, it will become smarter. And we definitely want to make it also work for Top Gear, for like all kind of specialized groups. But we also wanted to make to cover also those members who have not won challenges in the past, and overall make logic better. So early feedbacks are great, but just I want you to kind of like be aware of that and kind of like track it, how it evolves. And hopefully it will end up in something that would be really enjoyable. So yeah, thank you for showing it. You see, there is like that little button on the top.
Right here.
So for those who have not won challenges, just say sorry, you haven't won any challenges. But we are gonna fix it probably like in like 2 to 3 months, when we allow to users probably to pick their own skills or to import the skills from somewhere else. But for anyone who have won the challenges in the past, that may already become some additional fun tool to sort the challenges and to keep the most relevant challenges on top.
Yeah. Very cool. So definitely check this out, guys. I think it's really relevant for you if you want to make it easier to find some good challenges to participate in based on your skill set. So thank you, Renat, for doing that. We're looking forward to seeing how cool it becomes as you add more work to it. So really, really good stuff here, guys. And apparently I need to go start competing and winning challenges because they have no options for me.
Or just wait for like V2.5.
Awesome. All right. Any other updates today from anybody? Any questions from our community? You guys have any questions or concerns? Need some help with anything?
I have one question.
Sure.
It's related to Copilot gig. I received email from Topcoder that I'm selected for this and I will receive separate email link related to onboarding of Copilots, but I didn't receive anything. So do you guys have any news related to it or not?
Oh, sure. So Maneem, I will personally check with Maddie, the person who's in charge of our Copilots, and see where that's at for you, because I have seen a number of emails come through. So I know it's been happening. So let me double check on that for you. Maybe it went to spam or something. We were misplaced it or something. So thank you for letting me know. And then any other questions from folks? It just occurred to me when Dan said next week is the 26th, that we're almost done with March already. Holy cow. We have a lot of work to do in the next few weeks. All right, well, I'll give it another few minutes. Any other questions? We have a number of great members on here. You guys have anything for us? Any ideas or thoughts, questions? we're in hardcore planning mode right now. So that's what my life is all about right now for the next fiscal year. So while I'm planning.
Everyone, let's meet Svetoslav. He's just got his first gig placement with us and is very happy to be on board. Svetlo, if you have some questions, please type in chat or ask here.
Welcome, Svetoslav. I hope your gig's going well.
It's his first day today.
Oh, nice.
How is it? Tell us, share with us.
His first day and he's here on a phone call. I love it. Now, did you recommend him, Kirill, and get a reward, a bonus?
Yes, I did. That's why I'm so pushing it.
It works, you guys. You can work for somebody and get money.
I think he's very good, and so here we are.
What are you going to treat yourself to, Kirill, when the money lands?
No, I think he got some questions for us. He was wondering how to approach his customer if he has questions regarding the scope of the project. So what's the standard flow we are having? Is it to contact somebody with Topcoder or ask questions directly with the customer? How it's the best practice to solve that kind?
Yeah, so I think for that specifically, it's best to talk directly to the customer. I think that what we do through gig work is we do like weekly check-ins, like surveys to just check in to see how things are going. He should have been assigned someone from the Topcoder team as his main contact here as well, so that if there are any questions like that, he can reach out to that person, whoever that was. But we're always available too. So I'm always able to connect people to the right person at Topcoder if there are any questions. But I think anything related to the actual gig itself and work and scope should go directly to the actual client, right? You know, you're doing the job with them, so best to be completely direct right to them. And I'm putting my email in the chat. So if anyone ever has anything and you're unsure of something, let me know. I'm very good at finding the right person on the Topcoder team and making sure that they respond. No one likes to have Jesse nagging at them.
True.
Cool. All right. Anything else today? Quiet crowd today, but I hope this was helpful. I feel like in the next few weeks, we'll be having more like new stuff to be sharing. So I'm excited. So keep joining us. And if there's anything on these calls that you think is missing that you would like to see, let me know. I want to make sure they're valuable for you. They're a good use of your time. It's so hard to make sure our community knows all the stuff that's going on. And so this has kind of been helping with that. But if you feel like there's still something missing or there's more stuff that you'd like to know, let me know. And with that, I will let you get back to your Monday. I hope you have a great rest of your day, night, all that good stuff. So thanks, everybody. Have a good one.